Then comes the view option. So in view option, if you have performed the horizontal analysis of rigging, then only this rigging results will be shown over here. So once we are going to have the horizontal model done or completed, then I can show you this option. Then comes 3D. So visibility. Can you see? So as we are going to see the more options from here, we are going to create all these things. Then this option visibility will be of more use. Then comes wireframe. If I click on that, it will show you the wireframe like model. It is just the representation. Then the flat shaded like this. You can see over here flats are there. There is one more option which is called as a Gauraud shaded. So this is what usually we are keeping. It is very smooth and easy to viewing point of view. Then hidden lines. Then this other option which is representing like a drawing. So usually this is the option what we are keeping. Then orthographic view is there, perspective view is also there. Then 3D options you can see, delete cutting, plain grids, fonts and colors you can be able to change from here. Fonts and colors also you can go by clicking in this portion, right click. The visibility what you are showing over here, the same visibility options are here as well. If you go to options, you can see over here. Click on right click and then click on options. Can you see? In this blank portion, click upon the right click and then go to options. You can see this. So this is the white background, right? If you want, you can change that. Let me show. If I go to options, let's say instead of white, I'll be having, let's say blue. Okay. Then I'll be having again blue. So if you go anywhere in the empty portion, then go to option.
Yes.
And then here from you can choose the relevant color. Then you have to click upon apply. Then 3D options we have seen, show materials. Here we are having all the same material. So you can see it is represented in only same color. But let's say I'm having some other material. Can you see now the color has got changed? So it will give you roughly an idea about the which material has been entire model. And show wall thicknesses. As we are having entirely the same wall thickness, it is showing the same. Otherwise, it will be having some different values like this. It will show you like this. Can you see this? Then show temperature for internal and external pressure. If you are having some different temperatures, you can put it over here. Let's say it is 100. So you can see. So we are not using this, to be very honest. It is just for the represent, show pressures. If you go to the next option, help option, you can see the help topics are there. So it will go to the Hexagon server and the help topics will be available. If I just click over here, you can see the table of content and everything. Let's say for wind load entirely, whatever let's say IS 875. All help is available, like topography factor, use gauge factor. So that can be explored from here. Languages are also there. English, Japanese, then Chinese. So usually we are not using these options. Just F1, if you click, it will direct you to the help menu. That's it. So these are the just options which if you want you can explore, but otherwise we are not using that.